With the Child of the Redwoods Montessori planning cards, you'll know exactly what lessons to give your child every single week. Plus, it's a lot of fun.
It's the structure you need and the flexibility your child wants.
Let's plan together. First, get out your planning card box. Start with the planning card for week 1 that goes with the theme of the month. You'll aim to complete all of the lessons on this card.
You'll find these cards at the beginning of every theme pack.
Then, add 4 Foundations of Montessori cards. Choose one lesson from each card to give next week. All right, let's pick this one for next week. How about this lesson? This one looks good. And this one will round out our week.
Now comes the fun part, the teaching. If it's a theme card, you're going to find that lesson right here. And if it's a foundational lesson, you're going to find it right here in your foundational guide.
After you've done the activity with your child, check it off and jot down any additional notes you'd like to remember.
And that's it. Review your cards at the end of the week.
And then you can start planning for the next week.
All right. Want your own set of cards? You can get them in the Complete Curriculum and Unlimited plans today.